Hello and welcome to another update about GALA. So GALA is currently following the yellow scenario here. That's also in line with the previous updates I provided here on the channel, but also in our member area. GALA is updated there a little bit more frequently than here on YouTube. And you can see that the market is now approaching this next resistance level. Yeah, previous swing high that formed here around 1.9 cents. That's the March high, end of March. And the market, could be working higher in ABC structure. And the idea is that this would be circle B, so a corrective rally in a B wave into the region between 2.3 cents and 4.6 cents. Overall wave count is not clearly bullish. So the most bullish pathway I see is the white scenario. But let's talk about the yellow count first, which is a bearish pathway with a B wave that formed in March 24, wave 1 to the downside, wave 2 to the upside, wave 3 to the downside, which is an ABC structure because it's all a diagonal pattern. And then there could be a fourth wave and a fifth wave to the downside. That's what we're tracking. However, this pathway will become less likely should the market break above 4.6 cents. At the moment, both of these are pointing higher anyway, either in the yellow scenario, maybe even in the white count. And but, you know, it's too small at the moment to say if it's the yellow or the white one. For now, I'm watching for higher prices. As long as the market holds above micro support. Micro support is located between 1.29 cents and 1.55 cents. So it's a three-wave move up, as you can clearly see. So we could track the move up for now as an ABC structure in wave A. Most A waves are three-wave patterns. It is possible that this turns into a five-wave move in wave A. So I just want to say that I don't want to, put all of these potentials on the chart. The bottom line is whether it's a five-wave move or a three-wave move, there is no confirmation of a top. The next resistance is now 1.9 cents. I could imagine that it might form something like an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Now, I know that GALA has done this before, had a beautiful inverse head and shoulders potential, the potential for one. But it doesn't mean it has to react here. It doesn't mean it has to form a pullback here. Okay, it could just go higher more directly. It's done that before. So don't be surprised by that. It would be rather bullish. And then it could also indicate that it's forming maybe a five-wave move instead of three waves. If we get five waves up in the A wave, because A waves can be three-wave movements or five-wave movements, if it's a five-wave move, it is going to be more clearly bullish. And the subsequent pullback would be more likely a three-wave corrective pullback. Please note that what I've labeled here as B wave should happen either way, regardless of whether the A wave is a three-wave move or a five-wave move. And as I said, support is currently defined between 1.2 cents or 1.29 cents and 1.55 cents. But if the market goes a little higher, which I think it will do. I mean, there is no evidence at the moment here that this A wave has topped. Rather, we're approaching previous swing highs in that 1.9 to 1.95 cent area. The market continues to push higher, then the subsequent pullback should also be a little higher. So it will, this support zone will be moved with the price. So at the moment, watch the next resistances. It is even possible that the A wave stretches all the way up to 2.3 cents if we break above 1.9 cents directly. And once we have a local top in place, we can confirm support. For now, this is still just a moving support area. That's the update on GALA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.